Hi, welcome dear students to first video of chapter 3rd. Today I am going to explain about the computer virus. Okay. What is computer virus? A computer virus is a software program that can copy itself and infect a computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. What is the meaning of the copy itself? Copy itself is replicates itself, is creating a copy, and you find in your hard drives it continuously copying a file, and you find the space of the hard disk is increasing continuously. Okay. So computer virus is a software program, and that can copy itself and infect a computer without a permission or knowledge of the user. So computer virus has two major characteristics. First one, the ability to replicate itself, and the ability to attach itself to another computer file. Now, what question is what a computer virus? What a computer virus do? A virus tries to take control of computer system it has infected at the first opportunity available. It makes copies of itself and also try to carry harmful tasks written in the programs. This process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of virus in his or her computer. So you don't uh, as, think how fast it infects your computer. Okay. It so you know that it makes copies of itself, and it also try to carry harmful tasks. Okay. So sometimes you find some file is missing in your hard disk. Okay. You find you are unable to operate operate your mouse. You are unable to give certain commands to the computer. Okay. Okay. So ability to work the computer, you are facing some problem while accessing your computer. So you few symptoms that your computer might have a virus. Some few symptoms you can find your computer might have a virus. These are it slow it slow down the system. Okay. Slow response and slow program execution. You find the system is not running properly as you expected. Okay. So slow response and slow program execution is the symptoms of it. Also you can find the random hard drives crashes, and suddenly it restarts. Maybe the reason of the this is the symptoms of the computer virus also. And you can find sometimes files that have been mysteriously vanished. You are not able to find the particular file, so you find the files that have been vanished mysteriously. And you also find some pop-ups, extensive pop-up ads use computer. Also you find sometimes inability to open files with existing password. You are not you are not able to operate your computer as you expected, you know. uh, and we will also discuss the different types of virus in this chapter. Okay, so what you learn, once a virus reaches your computer, so it may damage your files and operating system, you know. So it damages the file uh, and and operating system also. It replicates the file, creating a multiple copy of a same file, and your hard disk space, increasing the space rapidly. Okay, and no, you are not able to uh, operate your computer as you expected. And most of the viruses are very harmful, no. So they destroy data on your system and may even wipe out the data, it even wipe up the data of the entire disk times. Okay, okay. The one of the Jerusalem virus, one of the, it was first discovered at the University of Jerusalem in 1987, and it gets activated every Friday that occurs on the 13th of the month. So Jerusalem, you can say this one, this is a notorious virus that is called Friday the 13th virus. Okay. I hope you understood what is the virus, and we will learn the next video what is different types of virus. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.